Oh, fuck. Well, unless the video disappeared, this stud was broke off, so I heated it up and smacked it. Now I'm going to use my tried and true big one, but I got to find my 1/2 inch ratchet. Well, let's try this for now and see what happens. Routed the damn thing off. I'm going to have to heat it and smack it again. Hopefully this will do it right there. I have no clue. I don't have a torch. I don't have a welder handy, so I hope it moves. Take a look below, feel it. Ouch! Ooh, it's hot.